What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have another black flag. This is a ultra bug zapper, you guys. I got this from Walmart. On here it says protect your whole family. That is insane. Why would they say that? I don't know, but that sounds very important. So I guess from all the mosquito bites and stuff like that. They have the mosquito lure from what it looks like, just like the last black flag. I think the only difference with this one may be that it has a purple light instead of the regular daylight light. 5,500 watts we're working with this time around. Thing actually looks big, so let's see. It might just be the box. Wow, you guys, the thing is actually as big as the box. I don't know why it's on clearance, but they are letting it go. So I think if you are in the Walmart area, go into the little bug section where, you know, they got all the sprayers and all that stuff. You might see this and they might have it on clearance. This is next level, you guys. Look at this. I don't even know what this is for yet, but why is it so, this thing is big for $20. This must be the mosquito lure. First aid, directions for use. It is a violation of federal law, blah, blah, blah. Alright, you guys, so a lot of this stuff is for the nerds out there. So I will post this for us nerds. I'll post it right there. Alright, my issue with Black Flag. Message to Black Flag. Can you please, for the love of anything or everything, can y'all please make y'all extension cord at least 4 foot, bro? 4 foot. What is this? The extension cord is not even as big as the product itself. Alright, so they didn't give us a brush, even though we have a lot of brushes to brush off the grid, but they didn't give us a brush, which is a no-no. You got to give us a brush, man. And most of the time the bottom is where the bug's grave site. Okay, you guys, so everything I was just talking about is actually on this instructions, so I will probably post it for y'all so y'all know that if y'all don't believe my word, you can believe the word of the company. Salute to Black Flag on this. So they have a moon here where it's dusk to dawn here. If you want this thing on for 24 hours, you put it down. That is insane. Now y'all know the other bug zapper I have, the indoor modern bug zapper that I reviewed. It has a dusk to dawn. Well, it's a sensor, but you have to actually hold the button to set it. So I see that Black Flag is starting to follow the trend of the other bug zappers that's trying to step it up a notch. So this is awesome for Black Flag. Plus on that one. I'm gonna leave it on dusk to dawn, and let's see what time it comes on. The only two cons about this is, of course, the extension wire seems like it's getting shorter and shorter, and then you don't have a brush to brush off your dead moths or whatever flies in here. And just in case you don't know how to put on the mosquito lure, am I supposed to use gloves? Should I use gloves? Let me use gloves. Alright, you guys, I got some gloves. Now, with the other Black Flag, I don't remember putting the lure on there. So we are going to put it on this one. Don't really know if we're going to get any mosquitoes, so I can't make y'all no promises on that. I will do a day review and subscribe to the channel, so you know I can give you some updates just in case I do catch mosquitoes. If you subscribe to this channel, I don't have a niche. My niche is my personality. I do product reviews and I review a lot of different products. So if you like my personality, you like my niche. So yeah. Alright, so here goes the mosquito lure. Alright, now we're just gonna hang it right inside. It has hooks on it. Alright, don't know if y'all can see it. Apologies, but it has hooks on it. So we are just going to go ahead and put it in. Okay, so it just says replace the lure after 30 days. Okay, and that's about it. We put it on and Not that bad. Alright you guys, so I did find my other black flag, and guess what? I did use the mosquito lure. So yeah, we're good to go on that. Okay everyone, so I just plugged it in and it is on. Nice and purple. I actually went in the house, so it's about 8 o'clock right now. I believe it probably came on around 7:40 because I was still out here 7:30 and it wasn't on. So pretty much the sun went down. Somebody they didn't ask me, they told me I should have recorded zapping, but I did record zapping on one of my videos of the bug zapper. So yeah, and there's a bat out here flying over my head, and I'm about to be out, you guys. You guys, so it has been a day. Yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. Once again, they didn't give you a brush with this, but as many bug zappers as we got enough brushes to clean this off. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, you guys, so got y'all on a different angle today. So there goes all the dead bugs. All right, there's a lot more in the what's the name, in the grid right here. So that's one thing I could say. They should have gave you a brush with this, but beware, if you don't have a bug zapper, you will need to get some type of brush to clean off the grid. And there you go. All right, you guys, let's put it back up. Now I might not come back on because it's in the dusk to dawn mode. So we're gonna put it back up here. I'm gonna plug it in. Like, comment, share, subscribe.